I'm going to go and create a new customer journey. So a customer journey is kind of using all those pieces that we just put together. Okay, so I'm going to go click on new customer journey. We're going to make this one a high touch marketing journey. Again, these are templates. I can create as many of these as I mentioned before as I want. I'm going to select this, and it's going to give us essentially, I equate this to being like a Velosio diagram, right? Different things that we want, different steps we have to go through in order to facilitate this journey. So the first question is, who do we want to be part of this journey? So we just created that segment, right? Within who we want to send this out to. So I'm going to go over, choose the appropriate segment for us. So there's our Washington and Texas segment. These are all other ones that are in there too. I'm going to choose that one. So that's the group that we're sending to. Then we're going to actually start the journey. So I'm going to go and choose an email from here. So we want to send an email out. We'll look at all our different emails. Maybe our first email is a newsletter, right? We want to send out to them. And within there, I may want to push them up to one of our landing pages as well. So I'm going to go in the email elements, look for a page. There's our landing page, and that's going to push them out. You can also see, I get a little preview here of it. I can actually go in and edit this on the fly if I want to right now, right? If I want to change something or look at something, confirm something within the email, I can do that. For now, we'll just keep going through the process. Now, if they go to the website and they register with us and the answer is yes to that, we know that, then we're going to move them forward and we're going to create a phone call for them, right, to get followed up on. So I can go in, choose a phone call, right? So confirmation of interest phone call with them. That's all good. We probably want to wait more than an hour, right, before we hit them up with another email. So maybe we'll say we're going to follow up a day, right? A day later with them. And then I'm going to send them that thank you email that we had created at the start. So in the ability here, I can go put in that thank you email. Now, part of that thank you email may also be a survey, right? I may want to get some feedback on what their experience has been like working with our team or working with customer service or whatever the scenario has been. I can go in and choose add an item to this. I'm going to go in and choose a customer voice survey. And here's all our surveys, and I choose one of them and add them into the system. Now that's the trail for yes, right? So first thing, here's everybody we're going to send it to. We're going to send them an email, push them to a form, right? If they register on that form, we're going to follow up with an phone call with them for confirmation of interest. We're going to wait for a day, and then we're going to follow up with another email, and then that survey is going to be part of that as well. The other route here is no, right? And we don't have any other things that are happening after no. So I may want to choose to add something here. Now, this being a template, I can change this as much as I want, right? This is like a template or a baseline for me to start at. But I may choose here, I may want to send them another email. I want to, in this case, we want to call them, right? We can go in from here. If I don't have a call in here that I want to use, I actually can create a new one from scratch here. So I can go in and say, confirmation of email. Make sure they got our email. Okay, and I can put in, again, dates and all that type of stuff in order for me to complete it. I save and close that, and now that phone call is part of our journey as well. The last piece of this is I just need to go live with this. All right, so I click on the go live, and now this journey is going to kick off and start for me, right? And then, again, all of those people that are part of that segment are going to get sent an email. Then it's going to go through the process. You can build this out as much as you want, right? This is a fairly simplistic one with only a few steps. I can also have multiple swim lanes, multiple things going on within a certain journey at the same time. And again, could be different people facilitating different points in that.